Wanna grow fresh herbs and vegetables at home without using soil? In today's video, we're checking out some of the best hydroponics growing systems that make indoor gardening simple and fun. With built-in LED grow lights, smart watering systems, and fast plant growth, these kits are perfect for growing fresh produce all year round. Stay till the end to find the perfect hydroponics system for your home, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have inbloom Hydroponics Growing System. The inbloom Indoor Herb Garden's LED lights are made up of 76 24-watt LED bulbs that function for 16 hours then sleep for 8 hours before turning on again in 24-hour cycles. The indoor herb garden lamp has perfectly tuned red and blue light and comes with far-reaching red light, causing plants to grow 5 times faster than an outdoor garden. Our smart hydroponics growing system make managing your plants easy. The low water level alarm alerts you when water level dips below 700 milliliters, ensuring your plants always stay hydrated, and the indoor herb garden LED lamp timer allows you to one-click turn off the lamp before bed. Our hydroponic growing system has a 4.2-liter water tank, providing enough space for the roots to expand. The XL indoor herb garden water tank requires refilling once every 15 to 30 days, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the larger surface area of the hydroponics growing system allows pods to be spaced out 20% more compared with competitor indoor herb gardens, giving plant leaves more space to absorb light for photosynthesis, and more uninhibited room to grow larger. At number 2 we have LetPot Hydroponics Growing System. The LetPot Max, the world's first system to provide automatic watering and nutrient supply, utilizes a water level sensor to automatically monitor and adjust both water level and nutrients, completely freeing up your hands. Moreover, with the exclusive LetPot app, you can easily set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule with just a few clicks. Whether you are a part-time gardener or a home plant enthusiast, LetPot delivers a first-class indoor gardening experience. Equipped with a 100% genuine 36-watt full-spectrum LED and an 8-level adjustable lighting system, this setup mimics natural sunlight to enhance photosynthesis, allowing users to customize brightness according to the needs. The LetPot app is the ideal assistant for gardening enthusiasts. The system offers 2 LED lighting modes, allowing for complete customization and control, whether it's blue light to promote growth or red light to aid flowering. Advanced features such as water level alerts and a silent mode ensure the healthy growth of your plants. At number 3 we have Sainlogic Hydroponics Growing System. Plant up to 12 different herbs, vegetables, and fruits simultaneously, from basil, tomatoes, strawberries, to peppers. Our professional 24 watts full-spectrum LED system delivers 5 times faster growth than soil. Perfect for a small apartment balcony, a sunny kitchen corner, or even a compact spare room. Enjoy high-yield, quick harvests all year round. Growing leafy greens or fruits? Just press the button. In veg mode, red plus blue plus white light helps lettuce, basil, and mint grow fast and tender. In flower mode, red plus white light promotes tomatoes and strawberries to bloom and fruit. Both modes run 16 hours on, 8 hours off automatically, no effort needed. The Smart Life app connects via Wi-Fi in just 1 minute. Easily monitor lighting and pump schedules from anywhere. No gardening experience needed, even if your only growing space is a small balcony space, clear guides get you growing fast. The pump runs at less than 20 decibels, perfect for bedrooms or kitchens. Turn on DND mode, and the pump automatically pauses for 12 hours at night, so light sleepers can rest easily. At number 4 we have Gardyn Hydroponics Growing System. The Gardyn Studio 2 Hydroponics Growing System kit grows up to 16 non-GMO plants, including herbs, vegetables, fruits, and flowers, within the footprint of a single potted plant. Its sleek vertical garden design makes it perfect for apartments, kitchens, and offices, doubling as a modern decor piece while serving as a productive indoor herb garden. Featuring no cleaning columns with watertight silicone seals, this hydroponic system eliminates buildup and crystallization for effortless maintenance. Your hydroponic planter stays pristine with less effort, so you can spend more time enjoying your indoor garden and less time on upkeep. The upgraded high-resolution camera captures your entire vertical garden in stunning detail, helping you track plant growth from anywhere. Paired with Kelby, Gardyn's award-winning AI assistant, this smart garden provides real-time plant health monitoring and personalized care tips for thriving results. Advanced LED grow lights now include sunrise and sunset modes, mimicking the natural rhythm of the sun to support healthy indoor plants. At number 5 we have Ahopegarden 10 Pods Hydroponics Growing System. High planting efficiency. Start an indoor herb garden with the Ahopegarden hydroponic growing system, which includes a water reservoir, an overhead LED grow light, and a circulation system that keeps the water fresh. The hydroponic setup and lighting systems allow plants to grow up to faster and healthier in controlled conditions. Simply add plant seeds, water, and nutrients to the reservoir and watch the plants grow. Pods and water level window included. This indoor grow kit with light offers 10 growing stations. The reservoir of our hydroponic vegetable garden kit also comes with a see-through water level window, so with a glance, you can see how much water is in the reservoir and when it's time to add more water. Growing modes for veggies, fruits and flowers. The grow light of our indoor veggie growing system features full-spectrum lamps that simulate natural sunlight, and you can choose between 2 different light modes based on what you are growing, blue for vegetables and red for fruit. At number 6 we have Ahopegarden Hydroponics Growing System. Our smart hydroponics system kit is designed for soilless farming and grows up to 300% faster than traditional soil cultivation. Hydroponics growing system built-in sensors continuously track real-time temperature and humidity levels in the root zone. Gardening of homegrown vegetables and fresh herbs year-round. Our indoor herb garden with extra-large 5 liters water tank allows you indoor garden to grow high water-demanding vegetables for more than 14 days. No need to add water frequently. Hydroponics growing system side window shows the exact water level at a glance, and the dual-color LED indicator on the control panel eliminates the risk of over/underwatering. Ideal for kitchen or balcony hydroponics. Indoor herb garden kit built-in pump operates at less than or equal to 20 decibels. Hydroponics growing system automatically circulates water and nutrients every 30 minutes, increasing oxygen uptake by roots by 90%, even for bedroom or office use. Won't interrupt sleep or calls. Effortless easy gardening. At number 7 we have URUQ Hydroponics Growing System. Indoor gardening system efficient 24-watt LED grow light simulates optimal effects of sunlight. Technology optimized for plants. Herbs Garden LED panel can be adjusted to 180 degrees maximum and 21 inches maximum height. Plants receive more illumination area, maximize photosynthesis, and also more convenient for pruning branch leaves. Hydroponics plants grow 5 times faster than soil. Harvest fresh all year round. Hydroponic growing system water pump with premium quality ceramic core technology. Super quiet, less than 20 decibels. The pump runs every 30 minutes, not only efficient in energy saving but also provides oxygen for better root development. Hydroponics comes with everything you need. Gardening plant grower germination kit, seeds not included, to start your garden. Automatically controls light on 24-hour cycle, 16 hours on, 8 hours off. You just select the veggies or flowers and fruits light mode by buttons on the control panel. Plant's growth can be observed. At number 8 we have Ahopegarden Hydroponics Growing System 12 pods. Our hydroponics indoor herb garden is designed for soilless farming, accelerating plant growth 300% faster than traditional soil planting. Backed by over 100 expert tests, our smart hydroponics system ensures consistent, high-yield crops. The LED grow lights simulate natural sunlight with a 16-hour on, 8-hour off cycle, promoting optimal photosynthesis for organic vegetables and fresh herbs all year round. This hydroponics growing system kit features an LCD screen with real-time temperature and humidity control, ensuring ideal conditions for homegrown vegetables. Whether for urban farming or kitchen hydroponics, users can monitor and adjust cultivation conditions effortlessly, creating a low-maintenance, high-efficiency hydroponic farm at home. The hydroponic planting systems features a silent water pump operating under 40 decibels, making it perfect for stress relief and DIY gardening. The auto-watering system runs every 30 minutes, efficiently oxygenating roots and distributing nutrients for optimal root development. At number 9 we have AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. Innovative design, experience better plant growth from your AeroGarden Sprout indoor garden with a sleek modern look, new silent pump, and simple soft touch button to control lights and reset plant food reminders. Lamp to plate up to 3 plants can be grown at a time, up to 10 tall. Plants grow in water, not soil, an advanced indoor garden made simple. High-efficiency LED lights are energy-efficient full-spectrum 10-watt LED grow lights tuned to the specific needs of plants to maximize photosynthesis, resulting in rapid, natural growth and abundant harvests. Includes Gourmet Herb Seed Kit, 3-pod, Genovese basil, curly parsley, and dill and a 3 ounces bottle of our all-natural plant nutrients, enough for a full season of growth, always homegrown, fresh, easy, safe. AeroGarden has been providing fresh, safe food options for over 15 years and is the market leader for indoor hydroponic growing systems. At number 10 we have Dryades Hydroponics Growing System. Create an indoor herb garden effortlessly with the Dryades Hydroponic Growing System. This all-in-one setup features a water reservoir, an overhead LED grow light, and an integrated circulation system to maintain water freshness. Thanks to its hydroponic design and optimized lighting, plants grow faster and stronger in a controlled environment. Dryades Indoor Grow Kit with light offers 12 growing stations and a clear water level indicator, ensuring your plants always have the right amount of water. Perfect for effortless indoor gardening. This indoor hydroponic system features full-spectrum LED lights that mimic natural sunlight, with 2 customizable modes, blue spectrum for veggies and greens, and red spectrum for fruits. Flowers also can be grown in this indoor plant grower system. Grow a wider variety of plants with the perfect light for each stage. Adjustable lighting for thriving plants. The indoor hydroponic garden features a height-adjustable grow light, accommodating plants as they grow taller.